children, welcome to the science subject. This is the 5th standard 6th lesson. The name of the lesson is the nerve system. First, in this lesson, in this video, we will do the warm-up activity. Yes, you have to answer with me. Name the sense organs that help to identify the following objects. The first one, sunflower, that is, we identify this object with a nose. Next one, the speakers, with help of ears we identify the object. And the third one, that is the tin, with help of a tongue we identify this object. Okay, the next, the checkpoint. Underline the correct answers. First one, CPU or monitor acts as a brain in a computer. The CPU. Second one, cerebrum or cerebellum is the largest part of brain. That is cerebrum. Third one, breathing is controlled by medulla or cerebellum. That is medulla. Fourth one, mixed or motor nerves perform both functions. Mixed nerves. Fifth one, the fifth question, reflex actions are controlled by brain or spinal cord. Reflex actions are controlled by spinal cord. Next, exercise part. The first one, name the following. First one, it controls the working of our sense organs. Okay, that is spinal cord. S-P-I-N-A-L-C-O-R-D, spinal cord. Second one, it extends from the medulla to almost the lower end of our backbone. That is also spinal cord. For both the questions, the answer is spinal cord. Next, third one, nerves bring messages from the sense organs to the brain. That is sensory nerves. S-E-N-S-O-R-Y, sensory nerves. Sensory nerves. Next question, fourth one, it is a circular transparent area present in front of the eye. That is cornea. C-O-R-N-E-A, cornea. That is cornea. Next, it helps us to balance our body. That is cerebellum. C-E-R-E-B-E-L-L-U-M, cerebellum. B question, tick correct option. First one, sensory or motor nerves carry messages from the brain or the spinal cord to the muscles. That is motor nerves. Second one, if cerebellum or medulla does not function well, our body movements become jerky. That is cerebellum. Third one, our nervous system consists of the brain, the nerves and the spinal cord or lungs. That is spinal cord. Fourth one, pupil or retina is present at the back of the eye. The retina. Fifth one, skin brain allows us to sense heat, cold and pain. Skin or brain allows us to sense heat, cold and pain. That is skin. Next question, fill in the blanks. Dash and eyelashes protect the eyeballs from dirt and dust. Eyelids, EYELIDS, eyelids. Eyelids and eyelashes. Second one, those actions which are not controlled by brain are called the involuntary actions. INVOLUNTARY, involuntary actions. ACTIONS. Third one, we taste and speak with the help of our tongue. TONGUE, tongue. Fourth one, dash cavity is present inside the nose, that is nasal cavity. NASAL, that is nasal. D1, state true or false. The right half of the brain controls the right side of the body, that is false. Why? Because the right half of the brain controls the left side of the body. Second one, spinal cord is protected by vertebral column. Yes, true. Third one, watering of mouth is an example of reflex action. True. Fourth one, eardrum is present in the outer ear. False. Why? Because eardrum is present in the middle ear. Fifth one, optic nerve is a part of the eye. Yes, true. This is the part of the eye. Next question, E. Answer the following questions. Short answer questions. The first one, what are neurons? Answer, neurons are the nerve cells which form the nerves. Second one, which part of the brain is active even when we are sleeping? Answer, medulla is active even if we are asleep. Third one, which part of the nerve system controls the reflex actions? Answer, spinal cord controls reflex actions. Fourth one, what are motor nerves? Answer, motor nerves carry messages from the brain or the spinal cord to the muscles. Fifth question, write the function of tiny hair-like structure present in the nose. Answer, the function of these hairs is to produce nerve signals that are passed to the brain. Okay, this is the exercise part. Long question answers we will discuss in the next video. The sixth lesson's exercise part is completed.